Chinese New Year is around the corner. Besides gambling, tourists would come to Macau for the temples, praying to the gods in the beginning of the year for better fortune, better health, and prosperity for themselves and their loved ones. Besides the more popular Alma Temple, Macau, we're going to show you 3 other temples that are equally popular amongst the local people.
好啦，今日去邊啊？
今日咧帶你哋去3間廟。呢度係包公廟。
The Paokong Temple, Baogong Miu, is known and popular for altering one's bad luck and increasing good fortune and luck on one's life perspectives. Built in the year 1888, Paokong Temple is dedicated to the god of justice. Pak Tai Temple, Bat Dai Miu, located in Taipa, right next to OTT, the Old Taipa Tavern, a bar. This temple is known for, in modern times, praying to the Northern Emperor for good business and a better career. Built in the 1860s by the residents of Taipa, the temple was used to worship Pak Tai, the god Bat Dai, for good weather, prevention of disasters, mainly for the fishing industry that was prominent at that time.
I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
我哋嚟到第3個廟，路環媽祖廟。
Finally, Ama Cultural Village, also known as Tin Hao Temple, Loa Ma Zhou Miu, built in the 1780s, made for the goddess of heavens. This is the oldest temple in Koloan, located in the highest of hills, closest to heaven. Overlooked by Gunyam. This temple is used for praying for all sorts of life perspectives and good fortune to whoever that makes their way to the top.
Nhớ cho ba.
訂貴。轉到去都好啊。
Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are.
唔該晒。個豬扒就係幫我開邊啊？
好啊。
We will fly above the sky.
好正，有 feel 啊！
Heroes tonight. Yeah.
好味喎。
入邊靚啲啊，我做 thumbnail。
啊